find a good way to do this.
What's up guys, it's Cave 3 Printing Technology. So for this week's video, I'm going to be doing some news type 3 printing video. Instead of doing like a 3 printer build. So for this, we're going to be looking at Project Olympus. This is a project based out of the company Icon 3D. If that name sounds familiar, it's because they do the large scale 3D printed houses. They've done some houses in Texas for a homeless community. I think is what it was. And they've done some houses down in Latin America. Those are the two most known places they've done the houses at. But anyways, this project they are doing now is focused on 3D printing structures, homes, habitats for the moon. So I got a article on the website about this project. I'm gonna go over some of the key highlights of it and what we can expect. So when I was first researching this project, I have yet to find a lot of sources or news about it, except on Icon 3D's website. I'm sure there's some local sources and stuff out there, but nothing very major. So at the top of the page, it says space-based construction system to support future exploration on the moon. We got a short video about it. I watched a few clips of it. So going to the moon. One NASA's test facilities, and this is some render of a possible Mars habitation. Icon 3 of their houses. The founder, and back to the moon. So these are some more renders of what it could look like. Not going to show you the whole video because I don't want to get this video taken down for copyrights and such. But that's the idea of the project. So here's a quote from the founder of Icon. You can pause and read it if you wish. And so here's some more detailed information. Project Olympus has engaged with 2 award-winning architectural firms, Big Dark Ingers, no idea how to pronounce that right, and SCA Arc Plus, recognized on global scale for their innovation. Alright, and they got one more article on their website. This is some more detailed information. So Icon receives funding from NASA and launches Project Olympus to reach for the stars with off-road construction system for the moon. Again, it's mentioning the 2 architectural firms. This is written in October 1st, so it's been a while since it's been some updates on the project. I'm sure that's coronavirus related somewhat, and this is a bigger projects and sure some other stuff is going on. So like I said, they're based out of Austin, Texas, or somewhere near Austin, Texas. Been awarded a government small business innovation research contract and funding from NASA to begin research and development of a space-based construction system that could support future exploration of the moon. So basically, the founders saying, well, we should focus on the moon first, and how it'd be a launch important for future explorations into space, and how Earth's population should become a spacefaring civilization eventually, similar to Elon Musk's standpoint on space exploration. And that's just mentioning some of their Artemis program, which is to have basically have a deep space satellite space station orbiting around the moon eventually. They require more than rockets. The robust structures to be built would provide better thermal radiation and macrometeorite protection than what we have now on Earth, since Moon does not have a sustainable atmosphere. Again, this is talking more about the small business grants and Icon. And here it says Icon will test lunar source simulate with various processing and printing technologies. Basically help further prototype their building system. Again, it's the architecture people. Icon recently completed a $35 million Series A round of financing led by Modern Ventures. So they're getting a lot more money than they previously had. So yeah, that's basically the news that I have found on this project. Overall, space exploration is a good thing for humanity and society in general. And I'm glad to see a 3D printing company take focus or take lead in that development. This just shows you what the future and potential of 3D printing can be and what it has come from the simple 3D printer that Chuck Hull invented back in the 80s to now. So hopefully we can get some more future updates on this project and see how it's going. If possible, I'll try to get some interviews lined up with some people from Icon, or maybe visit one of their 3D printed houses in the future. See how that all works out. But that's going to wrap up the video for this week. I know it was short, but with this new season of videos that we're filming and putting up, we wanted to try to incorporate some of the 3D printing news into our YouTube channel. So you'll see more videos like this, whether it's 3D printing for space or 3D printing to incorporating 3D printing and like sustainability into them, like ocean plastics, recycling the Pacific garbage patch and using the recycled pellets for 3D printed products. So similar to that. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. Hope you liked it. If you do, make sure to click subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.